for more train.
Wonder if Kaos knows we took down his force field. Oh, those clouds better not have told him. Oh, can't wait to see the look on Kaos's face when we bust in on him. Bet it'll be a pretty surprised one. And ugly, of course. I remember the old days when Kaos's whole family lived out here. Boy, they was ugly. Don't know what happened to his mother and father, though. One day, they just disappeared. Wonder if Kaos knows.
Hey, looks like you might have found something. Go over to the Visiogram and press the action button to attach it to the ship.
Closing in on Kaos's newly unprotected castle now. Ready to drop in on that little creep? Aces! Can't wait to settle the score with him. So this is where that Kaos freak grew up. Seems normal enough. Thinking you could try the front door here. Sure, it's the more dangerous way in, but while the guards are busy with you, Callie and I will look for another way in. Good luck, Chief. See you soon, I hope.
Oh, yeah! Easy.
Welcome, stranger. Are you here to see Master Kaos? We serve entire Kaos clan, though I don't know what happened to rest of them. Master likes to keep big door locked and hire trolls to guard, but we use big button when we want to open it. To get to big button, we use secret passage in the pool. Maybe I'm not supposed to tell you this? Welcome.
Yes!
Master Kaos make us drain water from pool after he hire troll guards. Too many of them fall in and not swim.
You'll need a tech Skylander to unlock this gate.
Yes! Ha-ha! Take flight!
Almost made it through the secret passage. Don't tell Master Kaos it's here, though. Supposed to be Willikin's secret. We like secrets.
Yes!
You need a...
This is part of grounds that Willikin not allowed to go. Supposed to be magic inside. Master Kaos talk about special hat there too. Maybe you can find this.
Though Chaos demands that all treasure found by his drilling machine, Drill X, be turned over to him, some say that Drill X may have squirreled away some of that treasure for himself. Others say that he hid it. Then others say that squirreling away and hiding are pretty much the same thing. In any case, pay special attention to the floors when you visit his big rig.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Troll Stopper M5.
I'd tell you nice try, but it wasn't.
Good job, stranger. Now you may go inside castle. Have a nice time in there. hello! So nice to see new visitor here for change. We Willikin served Master Kaos since he was very small, even smaller than now. We don't remember time before Kaos, then he go away, then family go away. Now he back, but very angry, even angrier than before.
Take flight!
Master Kaos loves locks. This door has two. Must go left and right path to unlock. Many buzzsaws and traps each way. Master Kaos loves those even more.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Quite the place our man Kaos has here. So, what would you care to purchase this day?
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Master's family used to make own soda. Flavors were sand, mud, and radioactive suction eel. Did not sell well. Some left in those barrels, though. Can drink if you like, but don't recommend.
Take flight! Dare to try again?
Do you come to see the master? He and Troll Friend are very nearby. Button over there helps open door to their chambers. But you must play me at Skystones first, then Button. Oh, good! I not played in long time, though. Not since Master's mother played with me.
Droll Lance Master. Mace Major. Trog Wanderer. Droll Lance Master. Droll Lance Master. Gargantula. Trog Wanderer. Droll Lance Master. You win. Stone collected.
Good play! Even better than Master's mother. You can use button now.
Too easy.
Master Chaos.
Oh, yeah.
This was sewing room for Master. Never see him sew anything, though. Must be other Willikin who do the sewing because he sometimes sends one of us here, but only when we do something wrong.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Jackpot.
Hi, stranger. Want to play Skystones? Oh, I really hope so. Yay!
Droll Lance Master. Droll Lance Master. Inhuman Shield. Trog Wanderer. Dro Archer. Life Spellpunk. Inhuman Shield. Gargantula. Goliath Dro. You lose. Inhuman Shield. Trog Wanderer. Droll Lance Master. Life Spellpunk. Goliath Dro. Chompy. Dro Archer. Dro Lancemaster. Inhuman Shield. You win. Stone collected.
It's fun because you beat me.
I fear nothing. Don't mind if I do. I fear nothing.
You do it! You go through door to see Master Kaos now. Hope he's not so angry anymore. Very mean to Troll Friend.
Oh, yeah!
Well, Skylander, don't you know it's rude to stop by unannounced? But foolishly, you have stumbled right into my family's ballroom dance floor of doom! Big-headed family reunions. Much as I'd love to stay and witness your demise, I have a giant drill to attend to. But I leave you in good hands. Brute! Show the Skylanders some hospitality.
Let's dance! Arena battle. Increase the pain!
Yes!
Let's find out! Jawbreaker.
Oh, yeah!
You may have defeated me, Skylander, but you'll never stop Master Kaos. He has an ingenious plan to get that Iron Fist of Arcus. Then he'll rule Skylands. Then he can finally take me fishing.
So sorry we couldn't help you out down there. Callie and I looked for another way in, but we must have taken a wrong turn or something.
We?
Yeah, Callie. It takes two to get lost. One to actually get lost, and the other to notice.
Anyway, we did find out where Kaos was going. A giant drilling rig way out in the middle of nowhere. He must plan on drilling down to the lost city of Arcus.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get to that rig. Oh, yeah, right. I have to drive.